guys, welcome to my channel. Monique Smith here, and on today's video we are going to be doing a review on the Infiniti Pro hair dryer by Conair. It has a powerful AC motor, ionic technology, ceramic technology, true cold shot button, rocker switches, and removable filter. It also has two attachments, a diffuser and a concentrator, and a 4-year limited warranty. Okay, so first I'm going to use this Protein Recharge Leave-In Conditioner by L'Oreal, and I'm just going to put it into my hair, and this is going to allow for my hair to be more shiny and just have a much nicer texture and protect it from the heat. Okay, next I'm just going to brush out all the tangles in my hair, and I have naturally straight hair, so I'm just using a regular old bristle brush. And I'm going to go all the way through my hair before I start blow drying. Okay, and now I'm going to part my hair down the middle quite flawlessly on this ad. Oh yeah, first try, perfection. Just kidding. All right, I almost have it. And beautiful. Okay, next I'm going to put half of my hair up, and we're just going to start drying the first layer, and we're going to use the first attachment, the diffuser. And again, quite flawlessly, I'm going to attach it directly to the hair dryer. Look at that. I'm so good at this. All right, hold please. Okay, we finally have the diffuser piece on. Okay, now I'm going to use this round bristle brush to dry my hair. And I would also like to add that my hair is completely wet, fresh out of the shower, and usually it takes a very long time for me to dry my hair. So this diffuser piece is supposed to help just concentrate all of the heat onto my hair, which will allow for it to dry more quickly. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and continue through the rest of my hair on my left side. Just dry all of that. And it's looking pretty good. Okay. Look at that. So fluffy. I like it. Okay, so I'm going to continue to use my round bristle brush and just dry all of my hair all together. And you'll notice I am turning my brush at the end so that it kind of curls it a little bit at the ends. Look at that. Looks really good. Okay, and now I'm going to try this concentrator piece, which basically is going to allow for a textured look, and those long pegs I just put directly onto my hair. I've never used this before, so bear with me. Okay, so if you don't really want much of a slick look, this is the piece that you would use. But I'm not going to use this all the way through my hair. I actually do want more of a nice slick look, so I'm going to continue to use the diffuser and keep drying the rest of my hair. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and dry the hair at the top of my roots. That looks really good. Okay, the other side. And I'm just going to continue through from the top of my roots to the bottom, just so I can have a more full look with more volume and a complete dry all the way through my hair. Okay, and this is the final look. So beautiful. Ugh, so hot. Okay, the final thing I'm going to do is turn my head completely over, no attachments, and just blow dry the back of my hair. Hello. Just keep drying. This is my Beyonce moment. Oh, that's a little too close. Okay, back up. Okay guys, this is the final dry. It feels really great. It's really sleek, feels great. And I really actually thoroughly enjoy this Infiniti Pro by Conair. I think it's a great hair dryer. I definitely recommend it. So yeah. And this is what I look like fully dressed with makeup. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and click on that notification bell so you can see all of my future videos. See you guys next time.